Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see the startup impact of applications on your Windows 10 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by right-clicking on the taskbar, select the Task Manager, select the Startup tab, and now any item in here that should start up with your computer, so different programs that are listed in here, there should be a tab that says Startup Impact. If you do not see this tab, right click along the tabs here and make sure Startup Impact is checkmarked. And now you'll see a list of all of the impacts measured. So please note if it says high, that means apps use more than 1,000 milliseconds of CPU time or more than 3 megabytes of disk INO space at startup. So 1,000 milliseconds is 1 second. So medium impact would be anywhere from 300 milliseconds to 1,000 milliseconds, whereas low would use less than 300 milliseconds. Basically just kind of give you guys a scale to convert it from. So milliseconds, 1,000 milliseconds equals 1 second, and if it's not measured, it means it more than likely was turned off. So you can see, so I've actually disabled some of them before, so status disabled, it's not going to measure it, so it'll say none. So kind of neat little feature in there, guys, so you can kind of measure and see what applications are taking a long time for your computer to start up. So pretty straightforward tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.